Welcome to Byte Vision YouTube channel Epson TM88VII Thermal Printer Invoice Formatting Tutorial Video. Epson TM88VII Thermal Printer. This is Ethernet, cache drawer RJ11 port. Down right corner power supply port and USB port. Press cover open button to open the roll paper cover. Install the paper roll on the printer. Now open the TM88VII utility ver 1.20 executable file. Go to main menu, click basic settings options. 1 click paper deduction, extra upper space deduction as enable. Extra lower space deduction as enable. Line space reduction rate as 75%. Line feed reduction rate as 75%. Barcode height reduction rate as 75%. Click the Set button to update the settings, select Yes to continue. Click OK button to restart the printer. Click Automatic Paper Cut, select option Cut Paper when the cover is closed. Press Set button and click Yes to accept the changed. Click Detailed Settings, then select Device Font. Select Code Page Country as per your requirement. Then select International Character set as per your requirement. Click the Set button to update the settings, select Yes to continue. Press Test Print button to print the test page. Printing control print speed, select the per your print speed level, by default level 15. Thank you for watching Byte Vision YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.